Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be attempting to repair worn footwell carpet. So I'm going to be attempting this repair on my Nissan Pulsar gti-r, which is my current project car, but the same process can apply to pretty much any car, I would have thought. So let's take a look at the problem first and then have a look at my solution. So hopefully you can see this okay. Wait for the camera to lighten up, there we go. But this is the state of the carpet. I mean, it's a 32-year-old car and it's not really had floor mats in it, so where your heels are when you're using the brake and the clutch especially, and the accelerator, it wears through over time, and it's kind of beyond repair for my skill level at least. Maybe someone could repair that by stitching it, I don't know, but I have a cunning plan to essentially hide the problem area and then also protect it for the future. So this is my cunning plan, basically. When I took the rear plate off the car, this piece of sort of rubber plasticky matting was behind the rear plate as kind of sound deadening, and this fits exactly over the hole in the footwell and is like the perfect shape to be a sort of mat to put your heels on. So I toddled off to Ikea, which is everywhere here in Sweden, and I bought, if you can see it, Scroot, which is very useful. I bought Scroot, which is basically a desk protector for like a big mouse pad, essentially. I spotted it while I was wandering around, and this is kind of the same sort of stuff but a bit thinner, and you get loads of it for, I think it's about £6 or something like that. So what we're going to do is going to make a template similar to the thing that was on the number plate, behind the number plate on my car, and then cut it out, and then essentially just use 3M adhesive to glue it into place. Okay, so this is what I've ended up making, 15 centimeters by 30 centimeters. And if you look, now I've added some light on the situation, dropping it into place like that, there is going to be absolutely perfect. And there's already a piece of trim there that's kind of protecting the sides. So this is just going to add to that. So let's get it glued and then let's get it into place.
Later.
Okay, it's been a few days now since I've had my little patio bricks on the little panels, so we can take them off and have a look at what we've ended up with. And yeah, there we go. I'll give it a wipe off, but we are good to go, I think. Yeah. So very simple job. I mean, it's not the most amazing result in the world, and maybe you can find a better piece of material, a thicker piece of material that's better suited to doing this. I mean, obviously you could fit like checker plate aluminium, but I didn't want to do that because I thought it would look out of place in the footwell, because there's no other like aluminium in the car at all that's on display. So yeah, if you do find anything better, please do give us a shout in the comments or let me know on Instagram, because I might replace this. It's not difficult to do, to sort of heat the glue up and take it off. And I might at some point get rid of the carpet altogether, who knows. But anyway, hopefully you found this useful if you want to do something similar. And thank you for watching.